Gaudiya Sampradaya, or Nimbark Sampradaya, or Vallabha Sampradaya. These are Sampradayas. These are lines of Diksha parampara, lines of Diksha parampara, representing particular viewpoints of sadhana and siddhanta. The goal for all Vaishnavas is either Lakshmi Narayan, Sitaram, or Radha and Krishna. So whether you're Gaudiya or a Vallabha, or whether you're Nimbark, or Hithari Vamsh, or Swami Haridas, or many different lines and groups, or they're all going to Niti Nikunja. We're all going to the Nikunj. So that the Upadis, the transcendental Upadi of Diksha Parampara, or I am Gaudiya, you're Nimbark, you're Brijvasi, these are Upadis. Because you say, oh, they're all Brijvasis, this is Brijvasi style, but Radharani is a Brijvasi. And Krishna is a Brijvasi. And Nanda Baba and all the Gwal and Gopi, everyone they're Brijvasis. And they sing Brajavasha songs. They don't sing Hindi. They sing Brajavasha, and then they sing Sanskrit, whatever, not much Sanskrit. So they're singing mostly in Hindi, because every audience can know Hindi. But what do they call Krishna? What do the gopis call Krishna? No, they call him Moku. Moku. You don't let's pay attention. Say Moku. Who is Moku? Moku. M-O-K-U. Moku. This is the Brijvasi way of saying Mukunda. Kunda, the beautiful white Kunda flower teeth, and his face is a beautiful smiling teeth like Kunda flowers and blossom in the wintertime. And the way the flowers are shaped, they're shaped like a tooth. You know, like the tooth is kind of wide and kind of narrow. They were growing here, but they didn't last. Kunda flowers, and they make many malas in the winter. Kunda flowers. So Mukunda, or he's the one that gives mukti to his devotees. Mukunda, mukti pradata. But gopis, you're not. What are you, Mukunda? Sometimes they say Mukunda also. But it's true, Moku. Hey, they say Radharani. Hey, Radhaju. Hey, Shamaju. Hey, Shamaju. Moku and Shamaju. This is the Brijvas. This is that language. Those behavior.